Hey guys, it's the Endercat Gamer, and we're playing a new game called Animal Jam, and we're picking an animal, and I'm probably picking the wolf, because, yeah. And I did something. I love wolves and stuff like that. I don't really like monkeys. I like wolves the best out of all of those. I don't want this name. Bouncing, smelly hyena. I'm just gonna... I'm not a hero. I'm probably going with this. Oh, wait, there's Gem. Like that. The Otter Cats? That's a weird name. The frog. Just eyeballs and legs. And a tongue occasionally. That frog. At least I think it's a frog. I'm not sure. That's creepy though. It's trampling on top of the world. Okay, thing. I'm a wolf. I could just... So many people. Yeah. Just gonna... Blossom Silly Fox. I can't believe that's my name though. Um... You're kind of creepy, miss. Ooh, I want to be purple. Not that light. Maybe like that. Ooh, like that. Yeah. I want to see this skull one. Okay, that's just no. That's just weird. That's just weird also. Some of these eyes, oh my gosh. What does this look like? It just looks like I'm incredibly happy, but like dead at the same time. I like this one and this one. I'm probably gonna do that one. What? Ah! That's just creepy. Oh, that's not right. Um, this just looks weird. That's probably the... What does this look like? Oh, no, that just doesn't look right. I'm trying to make it look gold. That does not look good. Just gonna keep... No, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Ooh. I want purple eyes. Or something. That's better. I want to change the stars. Ooh, moon. Now, the moon's probably the best going with my thing, so I look a little bit better than I was before. I love how they're all cats, though. I know, lady. Just gonna go with this one. Do you, rabbit lady? I can. Hello, Kristoff. It just exploded with gems. How do I even dye my fur, anyways? Okay. It said. Just gonna walk away. Oh, dang it. To Jamad? Is that really what you just said? I'm attempting to run. Just like jump and then freeze and then. Ugh. Oh, I didn't know that. There's just like a patch of grass in the middle of nowhere. Bark. Okay, I'm in here. Ooh, den. Achiever. The frog. I just can't get over that eyeball. Okay. I'm probably gonna go for this. Let's put it in right here when you walk in. It's just like laying there so you can wipe your feet on it. Turn. Okay, there we go. Gonna do the couch now. No. This is like, when you walk in, that's like the main room. Even though this house is the whole thing. This house is the one whole room. Just gonna put those there. I love beanbag chairs. Lots of cozy stuff. I don't want it there. That's it. I'm done. No. What is this? Get out of this. I'm gonna hop on my couch. What is this? I might end this episode soon. But it's laggy but cool. I don't know. Just gonna do this. Okay. I look so fierce. Oh my gosh, my wolf. Okay. Just found 10. Just found 15. Just found that. Oh, I found another. What do you even do with the gems? The cat. Not quite sure what I'm supposed to do. Just gonna get out of that. Is this frog ever gonna be normal? I don't think so. Anyways, that's Animal Jam, and if you want to get this, just get it on Google Play. And I like wolves. I look kind of weird right now, but okay. Yeah. If this is your first video that you've seen, just like and subscribe and stuff, and be nice. Just be nice, please. Because otherwise, you will be banned. Don't want to go there. Anyways, bye. And I ran into the